Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what's happening in the Venice Beach. As you see from my last two videos, I was filming the homeless crisis in downtown LA area. That it was including the ski row and also the city hall surrounding areas. And today I'm here at the Venice Beach. It's pretty nice, and I don't see many people here. And but I heard there's a serious problem with the homeless crisis here as well. I mean, not only in LA, I believe it's pretty much like everywhere in California. But today, let's go take a walk and see some actions here. All right, so other than that, let's go. Hey guys, so far it's not too bad, and I'm heading to the area that was really bad. So let's see. Yeah, so it's very nice view here. But you see right here, there's a encampment right here. It's packed. So I wonder how's the living condition in here. Like at least, like roughly 20 of them here, around 20. So let's keep going. So what do you think you guys city should do about this crisis? Leave me a comment below. It's about 65 degrees here. 65 degrees today. It's not too hot and it's just perfect. Oh wow, there's so many. Yeah, this is Venice Beach. I mean, unfortunately, it's no longer beautiful. I mean, the guy was waving at me. I mean, he looks pretty normal. I'm pretty sure, you know, something happened into his life, and then he has to be live like this kind of condition. I feel sorry for him. Yeah, I wonder there's so many artwork on the street next to the tent. So I believe maybe yes, some of the homeless people they're artists.
And then I realized they're all wrong.
It is nice if I just pointing my camera to this direction. Yeah, nice and peaceful and beautiful. Another story on this view. You know, some of the houses here, like condos, it's very pricey, you know. Living costs are really high in the Venice Beach area. And some houses, you know, like a couple $1 million at least. And I wonder, you know, with this homeless crisis, you know, if those people are okay to live here and paying so much money. But I feel sorry, you know, on both sides. Yeah, I don't know what's going on over there, but I guess there two cops are arresting this lady. Not sure if she has done something wrong or anything. Yeah, this is Venice Beach. I mean, maybe those two cops may be writing her a ticket or something. So it's not over yet. You see, like all the way up to there. And here, I think stores are still remain closed. This area. I remember back in the days, you wasn't like this before. Like at least like 10 years ago. Hey guys, if you like this video, making sure that you smash that like button for me. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, and you can go and subscribe my channel as well. I really appreciate that. Well, it's again, it's a beautiful day. Maybe I should ask one of the people living here and see how's the living condition. And I don't know, maybe some people, they want to live in outside. I mean, of course, you know, if you can afford a place to live, you know, there's no choice. But I'm not sure if some people, they do have an option to live in indoor, like shelters, but then they refuse to do that. Hey guys, so what do you think? I didn't know it was so big, and I didn't cover the entire Venice Beach. There are more to show, but then I didn't put enough coin for my parking meter, so I gotta go back today. But again, guys, you know, this is our problem. It's happening still, like pretty much everywhere, especially in LA. So guys, leave me a comment below, and we can talk about it. If you have a good solutions, what you should do, what we should do, or what city should do. All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.